The first thing that we teach our students when they go to hit the road, before even you start driving, we explain to our students all the components inside of the car. So make sure they are familiar before start driving. All right. Uh, the first thing that we show them is the mirrors. How to adjust the mirrors properly is very important for us. Make sure the students know that with this part of the mirror, with just only this tiny part of the mirror, they need to see from their position. They need to see the handles of the car. All the rest you need to have a control of the outside traffic or the outside situations that you have. Left and right mirrors. And also we check to make sure there are no cracks, no damages. The mirrors are clean and clear. All right, and then good position for the driver, right? Also over here we're gonna show them, make sure the windshield is in good condition, there's no cracks, no damages, and then make sure they're clean and clear. And the only stickers that need to be in the windshield is the stickers for the inspection. All right. Okay, so make sure you have all the components in place. And now we jump out on the my wheel needs to be in good condition, right? And then when you start driving, we tell our students that you're gonna start driving with the position of your hands 9 and 3 or 10 and 2, like the clock, right? So the right position of your hands wheel is gonna determine how you're gonna start performing your driving, right? Your hand over here driving, or the position, or the driving that we're gonna teach you when you start doing this. All right.